Hello to all traders, we are back again with another exciting video. In this video we're going to explain a strategy to you that has shown very good win rates on all time frames and symbols. At the end of the video you will see backtests we conducted using this strategy. So stay with me until the end of this video. Since I have a particular interest in scalping trades, I have set my time frame to 1 minute in this strategy. You can choose any time frame you like. Next, I go to the Indicator tab and search for Power Trend Volume Range Filter Strategy. We don't have one more option, so we select it to add to our chart. Then we go to the settings of this indicator in the Input tab and change the length value to 100 and make some other adjustments. Now, this indicator is ready for our strategy. In this strategy, we use this indicator as a moving average and use it to identify market trends. Whenever price candles are above this line, we understand that we are in an uptrend and look for buy positions at those points. Whenever price candles are below this line, we understand that we are in a downtrend and should look for sell positions in those ranges. However, there are some points where this indicator cannot help us identify the trend and the market is sideways. In such cases, to prevent losses and mistakes, we need to add another indicator to our chart. To do this, we go to the Indicator tab and search for ADX. Click on it to add it to our chart. Now, some minor adjustments are needed. So, we have to go to its settings and make the changes you see. These changes are necessary for this indicator. It's enough to add 20 lines to this indicator after making the changes. Now, after adding this line to this indicator, our problem is solved, and with the help of this indicator, we can determine where the market trend is unknown. When the ADX line is below 20 line, we understand that the market is sideways. So we should not open any trades at those points. When the ADX line is above 20 line, we understand that the market has a trend, and with the help of our first indicator, we can open our desired trade. Now that you have learned how to work with these two indicators, let me explain how to enter trades. But before that, I want you to subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to buy orders. First of all, we must ensure that we are in an uptrend, meaning that the candles are above the power trend indicator line. Then we should look for a buy signal generated at those points. Well, we have found the appropriate entry point. We should set our stop loss slightly below the colored cloud of the power trend indicator. Now, it's enough. After placing a buy order, we should consider a take profit for our trade. To do this, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For sell orders, we should do the opposite of buy orders. First, make sure we are in a downtrend. Then look for a sell signal at those points. We have found the right entry point. We should set our stop loss slightly above the colored cloud of the power trend indicator in this trade. Now, it's enough to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for take profit and wait for the trade to close with profit. As you can see, you will observe the backtest we conducted using this strategy. which help us achieve a win rate of 67%, which is a very good number for this strategy. I hope you use this strategy and achieve profitable results. I love you all and goodbye until the next video.